What do the dashboard warning indicator lights and cluster in the 2022 Ford Mustang signify? These lights provide crucial information about your vehicle's performance and safety. Understanding them ensures you're aware of any potential issues with your Mustang. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Adaptive cruise control indicator. Automatic headlamp high beam indicator. Brake system warning lamp. Blind spot information system indicator. Cruise control indicator. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system warning lamp. Battery direction indicator. Front fog lamp indicator. Door ajar warning lamp. Headlamp high beam indicator. Parking lamps. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. Hood ajar. Lane keeping system lamp. Launch control. Low beam malfunction. Low fuel level warning lamp. Low tire pressure warning lamp. Low washer fluid level warning lamp. Oil pressure warning lamp. Powertrain fault. Service engine soon. Shift indicator. Stability control and traction control indicator. Stability control and traction control off. Warning lamp. Trunk ajar.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic.
Stay road ready with the advanced instrument cluster and warning lights, ensuring a safer, smoother diving experience.
Thanks for watching.